It's truly is an experience. So yeah, it's not floor free unfortunately, which means this is actually best used on highway, even though you can do city driving. Due to the sudden erratic nature of human drivers, it's gonna be quite difficult for you
In
to
1,000 feet, take the California 1 ramp on the left.
for you to just switch to autopilot like that. But yeah, it's very interesting though.
Now take the California 1 ramp on the left.
So I'm navigating with autopilot right now. Okay, actually it's not fully activated yet. Oh shit, I missed it. Okay, no, I haven't missed it yet.
In 1 mile, take exit 48 on the right toward Mission Street.
Alright. Now autopilot is activated and it's navigating on autopilot. I think one of the interesting things is while the cabin is quite quiet when you're playing music or something, the cabin is soundproof to itself, which means if I'm driving and I'm playing music or whatnot, the cabin is literally soundproof. Like you could literally have a session in here and nobody would because the car is primarily tinted all around. So yeah, you get what I mean. But primarily or basically, yeah, it's quite soundproof, but
Now
not
take exit 48 on the right.
soundproof enough to things like road noise. And I think that comes primarily from the tires. I'm not so impressed with the tires they used. It
Now
feels
keep right toward Mission
like it
Street.
gets a lot of road noise, and or maybe this is a custom tire anyway, because this is not a regular. I don't even know at this point. This is not my car, it's just a test car.
Now turn right onto Sullivan Avenue.
No, it's my head saying, where is this thing taking me to? Well, that was fast. That was actually a lot faster than I thought on my J's. So I guess that's the end of my recording. Cheers, guys. I'll probably take pictures of the outside on videos just to reference, but anything aside that, this is the Tesla Model 3. I think this is 2018, I believe. I love this wireless charging pods and the fact that you just now you could repurpose the USBs if you want to, which is really nice, which is what I did actually. But all you need to do is just place your phone on here and it start wirelessly charging. And you could also still cover that up, which is pretty cool. And I'm working for some reasons. I've got this compartment here too, so you could have just this black finish. I like the green wood they used here. The fact that the airflow and all. I think the biggest part of this was yesterday when I actually had karaoke. Like on the music side, there's a lot you can do. You could actually watch movies or do whatever you want to do in here too. Don't think this is updated yet, but there's literally something for everybody. It's just a very decent car overall.
In 500 feet,
Would I
turn
buy
right
one?
onto
If I live
Santee
in
Road.
California where gas is mad expensive and electricity is a lot cheaper, I will definitely use a Tesla. But if I live somewhere like where I do right now, Boston, I think
Now
I'll go
turn
for a
right onto
Benz.
San Pedro Road.
For the same amount of money, I will definitely do a Benz instead. No gate on that, because I feel like it's a lot more luxury, more convenience. This is fucking cloth, for instance, and this is banging me back because I has 350. Okay, it's actually leather. My bad. Okay, so this is leather. It's got this cover on it. It's actually pretty decent though. It's very candid. Overall, it's a decent, nice car, nice finish. It's got its own taste of luxury and excellence to it. Very minimalistic. I think that's probably the biggest part of it. It is. The goal out here was to create a very minimalistic car, and so, and obviously, as you know, with a Tesla, everything is storage because there's literally no need for anything. And the speakers, this sound association is amazing. Yeah, it's all plush leather actually, and there's something for everybody. It's a decent cover, as I said. I wouldn't complain